Hello,
Assalamualaikum everyone.
Walaikum Salam, Maryam. Thank you very much for joining here. I am here in Canada, sitting 10,000 kilometers away from Pakistan. It is now 7 a.m. in the morning, and we have been conducting interviews throughout the night for this virtual book fair. We are conducting in collaboration with Punjab University, Pakistan, and HIBA International University, Canada. The book fair is going on in Lahore, in Punjab University, and a lot of thousands of books are there on sale, 50%, and people are visiting there, and a lot of people are showing interest there. It's very good educational activity. So we are partner with this Punjab University in conducting this and helping out and promote this event throughout the world by launching this project, World HIBA Virtual Book Fair. So thank you very much for joining. It's nice to meet with you today. So can you tell something about yourself, please?
Assalamualaikum. Thank you so much for pulling me on board. It's quite an honor for me. My name is Maryam Raza. I'm a lecturer at the Institute of English Studies at University of Punjab. And as we all know, OLC Canada has collaborated with University of Punjab and HIBA University to bring you the first ever virtual bookstall. Now, this is something really new. So we tend to go to bookstalls and buy books in person. But this time, HIBA University has presented us with a virtual opportunity. And what I really like about it is that in 3 days, that is from February 20th to 22nd, from 2 p.m. to 8 p.m., we have so many activities. So we have art galleries, we have book reviews, we have interviews of notable people and keynote speeches. And most importantly, my favorite category is the Mushaira, which we'll have on 22nd. I hope all of you are going to join that. I must also mention that we have presentations and multiple product reviews and product demonstrations. This is just a little bit of so many more activities that we have. So I would earnestly request all of you to join us on board. The ones who are in Lahore, specifically in Punjab University, they are most welcome to visit in person, and the rest of you are allowed to join us in the world of technology online.
Thank you very much. It's very exciting to see you and get introduced with you. And you have very good qualification and you just get in a professional network from Punjab University. It's very nice. It's very interesting. And thank you very much for appreciating our event. The OLC Canada launched this conducting various conferences, seminars, and training programs throughout the year. And inshallah, we're going to invite you in our next programs continuously, and we'll try to learn something from you, inshallah. And people will going to really enjoy, and it's very good. You have good expression and way of talking, and it's good. Nice to meet you today. Thank you very much.
Take care.